Hi everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady reporting in with a Caveen potato grow bag update. Now I'm just gonna tell you, I have both of these inside my heated shed because we've had a week of cold, constant rain, but I'm not gonna sugarcoat it. I'm super grateful that we're sunny and dry today, and just sending good vibes to everybody that's out in areas west of here that have gotten really cold temperatures and tons of snow. But I brought both of these in, even though my original experiment was to do one outdoors and one inside. I just decided it wasn't worth letting everything rot because of this excessive moisture. And I'm 100% charmed by these bags. Honestly, I don't care if I don't get any potatoes from these. The fact that I get to see the roots grow every single day is like basically everything that the kid inside of me needs to have at this stage of pandemic life. So, look at all of this root development. It's the coolest thing to be able to see. And look, here's a shoot. And actually, when I go up, you see there's a whole bunch of vegetation starting to grow. And the goal here is to let that grow up more. And then I'm just gonna start filling in with more compost. And I'm using Soil Cube organic compost in these. So this bag here were the little pieces that I cut, the eyes that started to grow from potatoes that I bought from the grocery store. This bag are the potatoes, the whole potatoes that originally had been stashed outside. So these have only been in the heated shed for a week, but they are also starting to develop. You can see little roots here. And I don't see any vegetation yet in that, but that's probably because it's a few weeks behind as far as heat goes. But I am just so impressed. Every single one of those little pieces that we put in are developing. You can see here's another, turn that. You can see here's another one growing, and all the roots. So honestly, I'm already calling this experiment a massive success, and I just think that everybody should try growing in these, because you know what, in 20 years of gardening, I don't think I've ever been this excited about anything, because I have never really been able to peek into the root system of any plant, and this bag just does it all. Super satisfying. Judging by the development in these bags, I'm gonna soon be adding compost, and I look forward to giving you all updates on how all of these grow out. And I thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.